With this material, you can do wet or dry installation. Which I'm going to pick one?
It's really easy. Whatever is going to be clear is going to be wet install, either satin or gloss. If it's colored, it's going to be dry. So the customer wants just protecting the car with the regular clear PPF film, that's going to be wet install. If it's colored, that's going to be dry install. If you don't have experience with dry install, we recommend you to wet install the color PPF, but the waiting time, the drying time is going to be way longer because of the edge channels. So it will take longer than with the regular clear PPF. So you have to count on that one. So you have to tell the customer, so the waiting time, so the whole procedure is going to be longer.
If I do like a wet, the time is going to be like a regular a clear PPF.
It depends on the temperature and where you are at. If you are in the northern states, then it's going to take a little bit longer. If you're down here, like we are in Florida, it's not going to be that long. But if you have wrapping experience, we recommend you to use dry, install dry. But we have the tech solution, what helps you, especially on the bigger surfaces, to install it even by yourself.